This Bosch miter saw combines professional cutting capacity with outstanding portability to deliver a truly mobile, cordless solution to the job site. This surgeon toolkit features an 8.5 inches single-bevel sliding compound miter saw delivering a 3/5/8 inches nested crown cutting capacity, cutting from 47 degrees left to 47 degrees right against the fence, which is an exceptional range for a cordless 8.5 inches miter saw. At a manageable 31.5 pounds, this saw features easy portability while still providing a 10/5/8 inches crosscut capacity. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It features Biturbo Brushless Technology, a brushless high-performance motor, and a drive-train system engineered to take full advantage of the additional power generated by 8.0 Ah and 12.0 Ah core 18 volts batteries. In testing, the saw delivers 377 cuts per charge with a core 18 volts 8.0 Ah performance battery, with an accurate laser guide system to precisely align the cut line to the blade. The saw is engineered with precisely centered sliding bars, leading to a very smooth and easy saw sliding. It provides a dust chute and dust bag, providing efficient dust collection. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Portable, powerful 18 volts miter saw design. A truly mobile job site solution, this saw provides lightweight and pro capacity. Number 2. Pro capacity. Delivers 3/5/8 inches nested crown cutting, with 47 degrees left to 47 degrees right cuts against fence and 10/5/8 inches crosscuts. Number 3. Convenient portability. Weighs only 31.5 pounds. Number 4. Accurate laser guide system. Precisely aligns the cut line to the blade. Number 5. Precisely centered sliding bars delivers very smooth and easy saw sliding. Number 6. Core 18 volts 8.0 Ah Profector performance battery. Delivers 100% more runtime and over 75% more power than the core 18 volts 4.0 Ah battery for high-demand applications. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.